Hey y'all, this is Becky here at Becky's Texas Wood Shop. I want to thank everybody for welcoming me into the Makers Media Network. It's been an honor for me to be a member, and I had seen so many people on YouTube there that were members, and they are such quality and precise woodworkers and different craftsmen. To be up among everybody like that, it's just an honor for me. I have just a small shop down here in Texas. I live by myself, lost my husband a few years ago, and I needed something to do. My grandfather taught me at a very young age about tools, and especially on how to handle them. But that was a long time ago, and if he were to see all the tools that they have now, Lord, he would really be excited. But anyway, I learned a lot from him, and I learn every day still. I make a lot of mistakes, and I learn from making the mistakes. But everybody that's helped me and every day grow more and more, I'm grateful for that. I'm not real big into the real big projects, but I do smaller projects and try to hone my craft the best I can. And I've built my shop up. I've got quite a few tools and everything that I need, that now I can handle pretty much everything that I want to do. So I want to welcome any other members that are new to the network. It's a great network, and a lot of people that are so helpful, and they'll do anything to bend over backwards to help you answer questions or whatever, even make a video for you. There's one guy in particular named Shane Cole at Shane's Hobby Shop, and I had gotten my router table, and I wasn't really sure on how to work the router and where the settings were, how high to put the bit and everything. And he's got about 2 foot of snow up there, and he goes out into his workshop and makes a video on how to set your bit on your router table. And man, how much more could you ask from somebody for that? So I'm grateful, and that's just the type of people that are associated with this particular group. So thank y'all, everybody. I'm grateful to be a part, and I hope that maybe there's something that I might could do to help somebody else, and I'm always here and ready to do whatever I can. So I enjoy watching all of your videos, and I learned so much from all of them. So thank y'all very much from down here in Texas, and thank you again for having me be a part of this network. Bye-bye.